Hello guys. You already knew that I was not too happy with my front headlight came out. Well, I built it using a can of mushrooms, but in the end, it's the positioning of the headlight that I really didn't like. It didn't stick to my fancy. So I started thinking about alternatives. So I thought about changing the supports where the headlight is mounting, but then I had a different idea. So um, I went to this website and I, I ordered a thing that I think it's missing from every cafe racer that doesn't have one. So this is me doing the unboxing of the part. Don't mind the mess around here. I'm trying to unpack this at home and not in my garage, so uh, it's kind of don't tell it.
Okay, so this comes from Jack, of course, from Thailand. This is my address. So let's see. So Jack was the man that took care of everything. He's the owner of the company, but he outsources the building of the part to some dudes in Thailand that well do these parts for a lot of different brands. So they're kind of the builders for a lot of different aluminum constructors or sellers or rebranders, whatever. So this was my invoice. This is my kid. You see the friend. So she really likes to be on my movies. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Uh, it's aluminium and hand built, and uh, I'm still not sure what will be the end treatment I will give it. Probably I will paint it black, but I will have to do some tests and some chromatic tests with the thing uh, on the motorcycle. So yeah, stay tuned.